Kagabi nga mga bulero, opisyal lang nakuha ng Barangay Ginebra ang kanilang unang panalo ngayong Governor's Cup after silang talunin ng Phoenix sa kanilang unang laban. Kaya naman matapos ang panalo, hininga ng komento si Coach Tim regarding sa kanilang mga naging adjustment on this win.
Well, I think it was just getting a game under our belt. Getting that first game jitters out of the way, gave us a couple more practices. Like I mentioned before the Phoenix game, Troy and RJ only practiced for 3 days prior to that game, and so they didn't really know Riley Grigsby all that well, and so we were just kind of feeling our way through the game. But with a couple more practices and getting that game under our belt, I was confident we'd come out and play better. I didn't think we'd play like this, but I felt we'd play better coming out here against Blackwater tonight.
Pero sa kabila ng panalo, maraming kabarangay pa rin ang nadismaya dito sa naging sagot ni Cone after siyang mahinga ng update kung kailan ang possible date sa pagbabalik ni Scotty at JB.
Not yet. We're hoping he comes back sometime. I guess we're calling it first round and second round, right? Before the break, and we're hoping we can get him back before the break, but that's not written in stone at this point. He's still recovering. He's off on his own doing his work while we're practicing, and when he comes back, he's in full sweat, so that's a good indication that he could be pretty close to coming back. But we really don't have a timetable on him yet, and neither do we have a timetable on Justin as well.